Welcome to Smiley Star TV.
Hello, little learners. Today we are exploring the wind. Soft wind, fast wind, and the strongest wind of all. Are you ready for a fun quiz? Here we go. Question 1. This wind is very soft. It feels gentle on your face. Leaves move slowly in the air. What do we call this wind?
Question 2. This wind is faster than a breeze. It pushes trees a little and makes kites fly high. What could it be? Here comes a strong one. This wind blows very fast. It can push things around. Umbrellas flip, trees bend. What do we call this powerful wind? Ready for the bonus round? Which wind moves clouds slowly in the sky? A. Breeze. B. Gale. You got it. Breeze again.
Thanks for watching!